Hey guys, in today's video we're taking a look at KUXIU's X40Q 3-in-1 wireless charging stand. This is a KUXIU certified charger that can power your iPhone, Apple Watch and AirPods all at once. It has a sleek foldable design that makes it perfect for travel, but it also looks great on your bedside table or desk. Let's see what you get in the box. Inside the box, we've got the charging stand itself, a USB-C 40-watt charging adapter, a USB-C charging cable, and a handy little carry pouch, perfect for travel. The carry case is super convenient for packing everything away when you're traveling. I love that I can use the 40-watt power bank and the USB-C cable to charge my iPad Pro as well. It's really great knowing I can just pack away this little case and charge my phone, AirPods, watch, and iPad all from one setup. Right away I can feel the premium build. It's made from aluminium alloy, so it's a solid, sturdy feel, but it's still lightweight enough to be portable. For a size comparison, you can see that when it's folded, it's a bit bigger than my AirPod case, which makes it super easy to carry around when you're on the go. One of the standout features of this charger is its trifold design. It folds down to a compact square, making it easy to pack away. But when you unfold it, you get this well thought out, stable stand that lets you charge all three devices at once. If you plan to use this on your nightstand, you'll be happy to know that there are no bright LED lights. The only light it has is a small indicator that turns on for about 10 seconds when you first connect your phone, and then it switches off, so it won't be distracting while you sleep. The KUXIU X40Q supports Qi 2 wireless fast charging, meaning you get up to 15 watts for your iPhone, 5 watts for your Apple Watch, and 5 watts for your AirPods. In my experience, I haven't had any issues with overheating. My phone does get slightly warm while it's charging, but that's pretty normal for wireless charging in general. I've been using this charger for a few weeks now, and what I love most is how convenient it is. At home, I like to keep it on my desk where I charge my Apple Watch and my AirPods. I like having it there because I can keep my phone's power topped up throughout the day while I'm working. It's also handy for taking video calls. I don't have to hold my phone and I can position it so I'm in frame nicely. The X40Q is also great on a nightstand since it keeps things clutter-free and supports standby mode. If you place your iPhone in landscape mode while it's charging, you can use standby mode, which turns your phone into a mini display for things like notification, a clock, or media playback. Just make sure you have standby mode enabled in your iPhone settings first. I also tested this with different phone cases, including my mouse case and my KUXIU case, and it works perfectly fine with both of them. The magnets are strong enough to hold the phone in place. One thing to note though, if you have your AirPods charging on the base, it can slightly limit the phone's tilt angle in portrait mode. It's not a deal breaker, but it's just something to keep in mind. However, when you're using the phone in landscape mode, you have more flexibility to adjust the viewing angles, which is great if you're using the stand to watch videos. Overall, the KUXIU X40Q is a well-designed, functional charging stand that fits seamlessly into your daily setup, whether you're at home or on the go. If you're looking for a compact all-in-one charger, this one is definitely worth considering. That's pretty much it for this video. If you would like to check out the X40Q, I'll leave it linked in the description below. And if you found this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.